So friends, now I am going to show you the web GUI of this video switcher. Before starting, I would like to say that there are two LAN ports in this switcher. One is external LAN and another is HVS LAN. External LAN by default IP is 192.168.1.10 and HVS LAN by default IP is 192.168.0.10. Why is these two different LAN port? Because external LAN, as per manual, external LAN work for PC GUI, which I now want to show you, and HVS LAN basically used for to connecting aux unit. But I have checked, both LAN port is working on PC GUI. Right now I am connecting my LAN cable in external LAN. The IP is 192.168.1.10. First of all, I have to check my laptop IP. My laptop IP series is 192.168.0.20. It should be 1.1.20 because I have connected to external LAN port of this switcher. The IP of this external LAN port is 192.168.1.10. So my laptop IP is 192.168.1.20. Now go to the Google Chrome. 192.168.1.10. This is the IP of external LAN of HVS-190i. Press enter. Yes, this is the opening page asking for user ID. User ID is HVS-190. HVS-190 and password is FORA. F-O-R-A. Yes. This is the web panel of HVS-190i. From here, you can do so many of functions. From here, you can operate your switcher also. Here is the options bar. Right now, we are in web panel. So this is the web panel. If I want to change input 2, input 1, you can see. Make it full screen. Is it possible to make it full screen? I don't know. Yeah, possible. Full screen. Oh, full screen only window. This is the PGM. This is the preview. Sorry. Preview. You can see anything. This is aux. So lots of operations you can operate from here. Aux panel, macro. You can see list of macros are already exist. In here, it is possible to edit macro. Apart from that, key, background key, sub effect, chroma key, aux trans, setup, everything is available here. Current setup is 50i, 1080-50i, aspect 16:9. If I change, it will change from here. Network, RS422, system, input, everything you can operate from here. This is very good features of this switcher. So friends, this is the web panel of HVS-190i.